Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a LinkedIn business page. Now onto the right side panel of your profile, select here on For Business. Scroll down and find on Create a Company page. And now from here, you can choose either a company, showcase page, or educational institution. First, let's go on the company page. Now you can add your name of organization, LinkedIn company link, and a website link, plus the industry and organization site. Now you can indicate here how many employees do you have and an organization type like a self-public or self-employed or a government agency. You can add the logo and the tagline for your business. And then check this check mark that you verify an authorized representative and then enter here the company name and also click onto the follow page. You can see the page review onto the right side panel. And then after you fill up all of the information here, you can now start creating a business company page. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.